Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Anya Havita. Today I am back with another makeup fashion, what am I talking about? Another makeup haul slash review. I saw these gorgeous lashes, these, in the beauty supply store, and I could not believe how gorgeous they looked. Beauty supply store lashes, this is how they come in now? Are you kidding? This is what we're doing now? Okay, so I got a few pairs to try on, try out, and show you guys how they look, how they feel, how they do. Also, I got an extra pair of my favorite style to give away to you guys. Make sure you stick around for the end of the video so you can see how to enter the giveaway and how to win the giveaway. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell, set the notification to always so you don't miss when I upload. Alright, so I got 4 different styles. I got Cleo. She's a party girl. I got Lacey. I got Sassy. These are my favorite pair, so this is the pair that I got 2 in. Like I said, wait for the end of the video to see the giveaway rules and details. And last but not least, I got Princess. They had a pair called Aquarius, and y'all know I ride for my zodiac sign. I was super tempted, but they weren't cute. They weren't doing it for me, so I passed. But I got these beautiful girls. I think the first one that I'm gonna try on, is gonna be Cleo. She's the wild child of the bunch. These are from a company called Ebin, New York, or possibly Ebin. Like I said, I saw these at the beauty supply store. It's the first time I ever seen these. I was stunned by the quality for beauty supply store lashes, so we're gonna try them out together. A little unboxing for y'all. Do y'all remember unboxings instead of like hauls or whatever? I used to love watching unboxings. To put these on, I am using the Duo Glue in the black. I don't like the white. Personal preference, you know. Everybody has a preference on which duo they like. I like the black duo. I'll be glad when they figure out another way to put lashes in cases, because I hate this nasty like packaging glue residue. These do have a bit of a tail on the end, so I'm just gonna take my scissors, clip that, because I hate that. That irritates my eye. Tell me in the I do that all the time. Let me know in the comments if you hate these little tail things. Right, Miss Cleo is in full effect. With honey, the power of a lash. Alright, now I'm about to put her twinsy on. Yes, honey. Swoop on, whoop, lash on, damn my. Woo! Look at that. Snatch. Snatch without a single drop of eyeliner. Snatched, honey. Mink ho. Lily Lash ho. Okay. Beauty supply store. Get your shine on, girl. Princess. I really like how they're packaged. It's not just like, but it's like there's a sleeve around it. Extra protection. I like that. See, this right here is why I like the black glue. Sometimes in an effort to like make sure my lashes are really on, really stuck, I want them to stay where they lay. And sometimes because of that, I use a little too much glue, but because this is the black glue, that'll dry down black. And A, you won't be able to see it, and B, my lash will stay on all day. So up next, we have Lacy. This is more for a round eye. This gives more like a cat eye look, and this is more of a round eye. You see how the ends aren't elongated? I usually don't like this style, but I thought these were super pretty, so I can't wait to see how they look on, because I usually don't like the rounded look. I usually go for the elongated ends so that it's that real cat eye, real sexy round. Ooh, imagine if this was a highlight. Yes. See, this one is acting up. Look at that. It won't go down. The way my eye is set up, it still looks like a cat eye. It still looks elongated at the end. But when I look up, you can tell that it's not. But it still kind of looks that way. And I just have glue all over the place, all over my eye, all over these lashes, but they're gorgeous. You know what's so funny? It's like when you step outside your comfort zone, you find things that really like you love. Things that you would never try, you try them and it's like your favorite thing. And that's what happens when you let yourself go outside of the circle, the box that you've put yourself in, because I love these lashes. These are actually my favorite ones that I've tried on so far. These are gorgeous. Let me know in the comments if you want a pair of lacies, because I was gonna get a pair of lacies and a pair of sassies to give away, just so that they're for people that don't like the elongated end, for people that like tapered end. But I decided, I was like, no, I'm probably not gonna like these. But I will go back to the store and get lacy for you if you love these and you like the rounded eye look. Let's see. Only for people who got this far in the video, so don't say nothing else. Just leave the comment lacy. And last but not least, the girls that grabbed my eye on the shelf. Sassy. All right. Listen, my bang is just... Who just pray for her? But, honey, I was right. These are my favorite lashes. I know myself so well. These are bomb to me. What do you think? Do you like them? You love them? You hate them? What's some more of them? I hope you like them, because these are the ones that I'm giving away. I love that wispy end, elongated tail, 3D, so they are layered. Whoever wins this giveaway, make sure you take pictures, tag me. I want to see how they look on you. I'm so excited. And y'all, that is the end of the try-on haul / review. I loved them all, except my favorite were Lacy and Sassy. Alright, now let's get into these giveaway rules. Real simple, real easy, real quick. Must be subscribed to me on YouTube, Anya Havita. You're already here, just click the subscribe button. Must be following me on Instagram at Anya Havita, no spaces. I will leave it right here somewhere on the bottom. And let's see, in the comments, tell me your name, your age, and your favorite lash style. If you need to go back to the video to see which one was your fave, feel free. So yeah, those are the giveaway rules. One more time, must be subscribed to me on YouTube, must be following me on Instagram, and in the comments tell me your name, your age, and your favorite style. I just want to connect with y'all, get to know you better. We're a family here. We're a family here. Don't be shared. Don't be scared. Don't be shy. Always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. Set the notifications to always so you don't miss out, okay?